Today I'm going to be doing the haircut tutorial of Tom Holland in the Netflix movie The Devil All the Time. I'm going to do the haircut, then we'll break it down at the end. All right, everyone, here is the finished Tom Holland haircut, and let's break it down. So firstly, you want to make sure you're establishing the right length throughout the back and the nape area. And let's see if we can get this head straight. There we go. And basically, it's not super long or it's not way up here. It's just kind of that right length just to where the hairline kind of just stops. And then I created a shape that went contoured around the ear area, right? And so the hair is just touching the top of the ear. It's very important to know that. I mean, can you have it above the ear? Yes. But a lot of times when you brush it back, it kind of makes it look like it's behind the ear. So I would say have your stylist or barber just cut it to where it's covering the top of the ear, but just make it a bit more texturized and thinned out a bit so it's not so heavy and bulky. Did the same thing on the other side. And then what I did was created my layering shape throughout the back area right in through here to where this is a bit shorter just throughout the bottom, and then it goes shorter to longer. So I'd say right in through here is about 2.5 inches, and then we go to about 3.5, 4, a good consistent 4.5 inches, and then the very, very front, which are kind of those pieces that you all see in a lot of the pictures and in the movie and stuff, is that the hair just kind of comes down and you get those pieces. So I would say it's right to about just past the bridge of the nose, again, depending on your hairline and how narrow or wide your forehead is. These pieces may need to be a bit longer or shorter, but it's always better to have them longer because you can brush it away. And everything is blended, holding it straight out from the head. Then I blow dried it with my hands, and I think the best product for this style is my shadow cream. It's like a cream grit pomade is what I call it, but it really, really, really gives the hair that lived-in look. It's not really, shiny like a pomade, but it just creates that look where your hair looks healthy. It's got a cream in it. It's easy to style. It's got a good kind of true medium hold. You can put it in when the hair is a bit damp. I brush it all back for this type of look with a wide tooth comb just to get that kind of texture and that flow. And when I say a wide tooth comb, I mean something like this, right, compared to a regular hair cutting comb, because it may make the layers a bit too kind of close together. So this creates much better separation and allows you to kind of use the point of the comb and just piece things out too. And then that's it. I styled it, kind of touched it up a little bit like this, and there's a finished result. Let me know in the comments below if you like this haircut. I think it's a great haircut actually I'm here on the East Coast in New Jersey, United States, so it's getting a bit colder now, but it's a great haircut to transition into like winter because it has a little more length than a traditional type of shorter cropped haircut. Really a great look. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.